important. This isn't investment or financial advice. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose, and always do your own research. Welcome to episode 18, guys. Finally on day 110. If you're new to the series, this entire series is based on proof of staking. So spent $250 on each of these coins to find out which coin profits the most and which coin also stakes the most as well. If you want to watch the entire series, I'll link you to the description below. A quick look at the market at the moment. It's been absolutely crazy these past few days because we've finally reached this all-time high of $715 billion. And this is just crazy because everything, Bitcoin is stagnated. Ripple has taken second place, unbelievable. It's overtaken Ethereum, but everything seemed to have jumped up in price at least 20-30%. I mean, look at ETH, it's almost at $1,000. ADA has gone up to $1.08 as well. Actually crazy. Stellar has jumped up 65%. Everything is going crazy high, and I don't think this bullish run is gonna stop for a while. I think we're gonna get to probably 1 trillion. There might be a little correction, but it's gonna carry on higher because cryptocurrency is getting so much hype at the moment. It's unbelievable. Everyone at work is talking about it. All my friends and family are talking about it. Getting thousands of texts a day about it. It's just been absolutely crazy. And just look at these prices. They're just unbelievable. If we visited these charts about 3 months ago, it'll be a completely different story. So I'm sure many of you have actually made quite a lot of money, but just remember to take out a small amount of profit just to be on the safe side. But if you don't want to be safe, that's fine. Keep on riding that ride, it's fine, because everything is just incredibly high. I mean, look at Redcoin. I don't know what's happened, but Redcoin has actually gone up by 64% as well. Let's see some other notables. Yeah, I mean, gas is at $34. Sub is at $1.34. Unbelievable. But I think the best players are definitely Ripple. I definitely wouldn't buy at this price though, because it's starting to drop. I think people are selling up because a few millionaires have been made at this point. But it's been on an absolute crazy ride this. What else? Ethereum probably heading to 1,000. It wouldn't surprise me at this rate. Yeah, it's just crazy. And look at the return. The ICO price of this was 31 cents. Unbelievable. Okay, let's have a look at the wallets. Hello, and let's take a look at the wallets for the 3rd of January 2018. So here we have exclusive coin, and since the 25th we have had a few stakes. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we've had a total of 3 exclusive coins here. Apologies, the connection is quite slow today. So Blockcoin, we have 2 stakes. That gives us a total of 3. Syndicate, we've had a good few stakes since the 25th. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that gives us a total of 50 Syndicate. Renos, we've had quite a lot, so I'll definitely do some calculations with this one. I can't really be bothered to count them up, but it's quite a few. Neos, we've had 1 stake here, 0.45. Bitbean, we've had 2 stakes, so that gives us 2,000. Redcoin, as we know, is doing pretty well. It's getting pumped quite high. We've had 2 stakes, so one on the 30th, 308 red coins, and another at 138 red coins as well, so not too bad. Neutron, we've had one stake since the 25th, and I believe this one's for probably around, yeah, so it's for 625. And I believe we need to check Rain. So Rain, we've had one stake, and that gives us a total of 200. And finally, last but not least, we have Neo, and we have 0.031 gas. I'm gonna claim this now, and as you can see, that price is just unbelievable at the moment. I believe it's around almost $100 or around $90 at the moment, so not sure where this price is coming from, but on CoinMarketCap it's about $100. I think that's everything for this wallet, so let's check out the next wallet. And in no particular order, here are some of the stakes that we received on 3rd of January 2018. So 808, we've received $15.39, not too bad. Rain, about $10.21. Redcoin, $9.32. Syndicate, a huge $37.97. That helps with the price and receiving 50 stakes as well. Renos, $4.80. Rise, $3.36. Blackcoin, $2.68. Exclusive coin, $8.65, and so on. So Neo's coin is doing pretty well as well. Like, I believe one coin is around $13 at the moment, so that's pumped up quite high. Another notable is Bitbean at $27.27, which is pretty high as well. So here's the proof of stake league. As we can see, Bitbean is still king of stake at the moment with a huge profit of $309. That's just pure stakes, and that gives us a return. I mean, that total return has given us over 123% at the moment. Syndicate also very, very good at staking, staying at number 2 position with a total staking profit of $220.64. Rain has crept back into 3rd spot. I believe this was in 5th position, and now is back into 3rd at $112.69. Neo's coin staying in the same position at $100.06. 808 has crept back up as well, so it's gone into 5th position, so that gives us a profit of $90.72 now. Redcoin has gone down. I believe it went so high and then it got dumped to a low, but now it's creeping back up again. So Redcoin is slightly stable, so that has a profit of 73 and 71 cents. And you can have a look at the others as well. So let's take a look at our overview for the start of 2018. Redcoin at number 1 position, so the difference, and when we see the difference, is 4,999, so that's minus my investment of $250, so that's pure profit that we've just made on this coin, which is unbelievable. I do believe we've taken about $1,000 worth of dump, but I mean, still at 4,000, I'm definitely not complaining about that. Bitbean, that's a pure profit of 1,663, really doing really well. So Syndicate also doing really well with the price as well, and these are due to pumps in the price. It's just unbelievable how much everything has gone up due to, you know, cryptocurrency prices. As you can see near the bottom, the hyper staking coins that I wasn't really recommending because they were just inflating the price way too much. Rain has actually gone out of red and into green now, so I'm actually made a slight profit of $20.02. Still don't really recommend the hyper staking coins or the really large inflation coins. And 808 has, I mean, it's still that's my only deficit at the moment at minus $127.51. But the grand total is $13,330 of absolute pure profit, minus my original investment. So not too bad for 110 days. If you followed me, you've done really well and bought some of these coins. You've done extremely well. I hope you haven't lost any money, guys. So just use this, guys. Just use this as a reference. So and do your own research about all of these coins. Yeah, so that's everything. Thank you. And in a quick update, I'm adding a new coin for 2018. I'm adding Spectrecoin. It's a privacy focused coin using Tor, and I'm pretty bullish about anything privacy related in coins at the moment. I believe they will go higher and in the future. And yes, so this one's using Tor. I've had a look at the wallet and it's very, very clean, and it definitely doesn't look like a QT wallet, so they've worked really hard on it. The roadmap has an Android app, so if you have an Android app and privacy focused coin as well, then I believe it's going to get much higher in value. At the moment it's pretty high, it's at $5.47 as of today. So I'm going to purchase $250 worth, so that gives me 45.7 XSPEC. I'm not too sure if I could stake with that little amount, but I'm going to have a try anyway. So I'm going to take you to the wallet. So here's the Spectrecoin wallet. I've literally just received the 45.7 XSPEC. As you can see, the wallet is really actually very, very nicely designed. It's very clean as well. Definitely doesn't look like your average QT wallet. They've actually spent a lot of time actually building this and developing this as well. So very bullish about it. I think $5 is still quite cheap for this coin, to be honest. As for staking, I'm going to start staking this 45. I really don't think I will be able to stake much, perhaps nothing at all, because it's such a low amount at the moment. But I'm gonna have a try anyway, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, definitely check out Spectrecoin. You can buy it on Cryptopia at the moment. I'll put a link down in the bottom below. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching episode 18. Just remember to subscribe. Click that big red subscribe button for more updates, and give me a tweet at AlphaCrypto8, and I'll see you next time.